In the meantime, the Department of Agriculture, or DA, has acquired cutting-edge rice analyzers, promising to strengthen the government body's ability to assess rice quality and enforce national standards using laboratory-based testing. With this technology, the DA aims to gain stronger teeth against rice adulteration, mislabeling, and other deceptive practices. Our Gab Villegas reports.
The Department of Agriculture, or DA, and the Bureau of Plant Industry, or BPI, showcased today their newly purchased rice quality analyzer worth an estimated 3 million pesos. Through this, the quality of local and imported rice available in the market can be determined, as well as whether the importer's declaration on their imported rice is accurate. This is part of the modernization efforts being made by the department to ensure that both local and imported rice pass food safety standards and are of the right quality.
Mahigpit tayo sa ating mga ine-export to comply with importing country requirements or trading partner requirements, pero dito sa atin sa domestic at syempre yung ating ini-import ay syempre kailangan mas safe yung ating kinukonsume para sa ating mga general public. Hindi lang naman ito para sa imported natin, ang gusto natin talaga is ma-improve yung industriya, local industry, kaya ho nandito ang ating rice program din. And of course, yun nga, to implement properly yung ating mga guidelines.
The rice quality analyzer can examine 14 parameters of each rice sample, such as grain quality, chalkiness or whiteness of the grain, and the milling degree of the rice. Once the sample is placed in the analyzer, it will immediately determine whether it is imported or local rice, with the results coming out in just a few minutes. The analyzer also has optical sensors to check the average width and length of each rice grain. In addition to the rice quality analyzer, the BPI also has a rice sampler divider and a rice moisture analyzer in their laboratory. If the government procures additional units, one setup is estimated to cost up to 5 million pesos. Having a sample tested at the BPI laboratory is free if there are doubts about the quality of the purchased rice. According to Director Panganiban, the method used by the DA and the Bureau of Customs to determine the quality of imported rice will now be scientific.
Ang strategy is, kung may makita tayong medyo mababa ang quality, iti-trace back natin saan ba siya sinurse. So from there, makikita ng DA at ng ating mga regional offices saan ba tayo pwedeng mag-improve ng ating services. Kung ano ba yan, post-harvest facility, drying facility, or yung ating mga milling facilities.
The DA aims to equip every region in the country with a rice quality analyzer. They will prioritize placing this equipment in their food safety laboratories in Baguio, Cebu, Cagayan de Oro, and Davao. Gab Humilde Villegas from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.